Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. Vont sent me these solar spotlights. They're solar powered security lights for like your home or your yard. I've been using them for the last couple weeks. Had them set up in the yard. They're nice, solar powered, adjustable. They have solar panels, low beam. Probably won't come on now. Lights on. Low beams 50 lumens, high beams 100 lumens. They have mounting brackets if you want to mount them to your home or shed or whatever you're going to mount them to. And they have ground stakes that just slide in. Go in a certain way. Ground stakes that slide in. Stick them in the ground. I've been using them for the last couple weeks. Had them set up in the yard. Been using them when we go camping, lighting up around the campground, campsite. They work pretty good. They last anywhere from 6 to 12 hours on a charge. As on what setting you have it on. Last night we used them. They last about 6 hours on high. Nice. Something you can throw into the car camping kit. If you want to backpack them in, you could backpack them in too. I mean, they're not that heavy. They're nice. They're waterproof. They've been in the rain. We had some rain last week, and we left them out there, and they survived, which is nice. You get 2 lights in a box. Vont Solar spotlights. Check them out.